Hello! Welcome back to Old School, our YouTube channel. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Zeus Paredes. At today, maglalaro po tayo ng Holland. We're gonna play some marbles. This marble machine that I created was so inspired by my two grandchildren. Tawagin na lang po natin silang T and J. Hindi po Tom and Jerry. But anyway, they created a marble machine back in July of 2021. And it's so amazing how they were able to put this together, just the two of them. And we enjoyed every time we played with it, just listening to the sound it created while the marbles ran down the cardboard channels and grooves. It was so fun and very relaxing. So this is my own version of that machine. By the way, that machine, they named it Mr. Makbupi. Moving forward, itong version na to, I use mostly recycled materials. And it doesn't have a name, but it's so inspired by Mr. Makbupi. So a lot of times I've been asked how much time that I have spent on this creation. Well, I started on this on September of 2021, 2 months after T and J made their own machine. And until now, it's still a work in progress. I'm still adding a couple of turns and probably one more spiral run. And I hope you enjoy it. So, again, like I said, the time I spent on this, well, I started this when I was still working as a project manager. And it's not easy running about an average of 80 projects per year. So I'm just wasted and stressed out when I get back home. So this is my way, it's some sort of therapy for me to work on the machine this cardboard machine every evening. Probably work on it for about half an hour, and on weekends. So, let's enjoy ang aking version of Mr. Makbupi. So moving on, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my old school channel, Old School by Zeus. I also would like to hear your comments and suggestions, and also push that like button. Yan, mabuhay kayong lahat, and hopefully to see you in my next video.